any measurement having three hierarchy: nominal, ordinal. Just listen very carefully. Interval, ratio. Okay, now ratio. You understand that? Okay. Any measurement. I'm talking about measurement. Nominal means, I'll give you an example. Example would be made PV 1 or 0. Is it representing a particular category? Is it only representing the intact measurement? If I measure gender, male is representing that category, female is representing that category. Is it representation?
Yes.
Representation. So nominal, what's the property of nominal? Only what property got?
Representation.
Only got a representation property, right? For example, player's jersey number. Does it mean that I got actually a number of 10? Does it mean that I'm a superior player?
No.
Number is a representation only, right? Your class number, ID number. These are all only representation? Is it true or not?
Yes.
Is it a representation?
Yes.
Yes.
So you can use number-based representation or a character or alphabet-based representation.
So suppose Sachin having jersey number 10. Right? So 10 is a representation.
Only representation.
And but he scored 99.
It's only representation. If jersey number is 99, it's still a representation.
No. Sachin Tendulkar.
That is different. You are talking about score as actually another variable. You're talking about score as another variable.
Okay.
You're talking about first variable is jersey number, and you're talking about score earned by. That is another variable, right? Now?
Yeah, that's a measure.
Right. So number is like, let's assume 10. He scored 100. Let's assume he scored actually 100. Let's imagine. Now this is actually another variable. This is actually a vector. This is another vector.
Right.
Yeah. Right now these were two vectors, right? You need to understand. This is nothing but actually a nominal, and this is nothing but what? A pure number. It's a number or a measure. Right?
Measure.
Measure. Okay. Now listen. You understand nominal? What I mean by nominal?
Yeah.
Yes. Nominal. For example, ordinal. Sometimes we may actually measure in terms of orders. For example, the ranks 1, 2, 3, something like that. Is it a pure representation? Does it number make sense? Actually, sequence of number makes sense in this case? No.
Yes.
Rank 1 is superior compared to rank 2.
Yeah,
Rank 3
yeah.
is superior compared to rank 3. What are the properties of this particular type of data?
Order representation. Order.
Or it gives an order, or it creates.
Order is important.
Orders.
Order is important, right?
Yeah.
Agree, no? Order is important.
Yes.
Now, generally, if your column having these two, this is Tableau call it as, any of these Tableau call it as what?
Dimension.
Now, is it clear? It could be ordinal,
Yes.
it could be nominal. Ordinal means rank is an ordinal one. And for example, position or attained in a class 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or A grade, B grade, C grade, D grade. But if you see the rank, it got two properties. You can use as a representation, plus it got order is also important. When the first case, my order is important, male is equal to 1, female is equal to 0, is order is important.
No.
But in the second case, order is important. No?
Yeah.
Order is important. It becomes ordinal. Both cases, both are called as what?
Dimension.
Right? Both are called as what?
Dimension.
Dimension. Sorry. That you understood now?
Yeah.
Yes.
Now, I'll give you an example. Many times, whenever you actually give your car to a service center, at the end of it, they will ask you a question. How do you recommend our services to your friends on a 1 to 100 scale? 1 means highly recommended, and 100 means, 1 means not at all recommended. 100 means highly recommended. If you look at that, it's more of an interval scale, right? You can select 1 to 100, you can select 1, 2, 3, up to 100, right? Higher value means what? Yeah, higher level of recommendation toward the particular service provider. Is it true or not? Right? Low value means lower. That number makes sense, no?
Yes.
For example, I have collected data from 100 people. Can I calculate average recommendation score?
Yes.
Yes.
I can calculate average recommendation. So I can say that, yeah, for my service, I received the average recommendation score is 80 out of 100. It means the majority of the people recommend this product on the higher side. That's what the meaning.
Yes.
So mean makes sense in this case?
Yes.
Mean makes sense. Is it true or not? That is actually an example of interval, right? Is it true?
Yes.
Right? Is it true? Right. So after getting the data, what I did actually, after getting the data, can I actually classify the people into 1 to 10 and 10 to 20? Something like that, will I be able to classify?
Yeah. Yes,
1 to 10, something like that, will I be able to classify?
Yes.
Yeah, I'll be able to classify. Is it true or not? So I can convert the internal data into ordinal form.
Yes.
Right? I can say that people who are low satisfied, high satisfied, mediocre satisfied, highly satisfied.
Yeah, we can order it. Yeah.
We can order. I can also use a representation.
Right.
For example, after classifying people, I call them into 3 categories: promoter, detractors, and passee.
Yes.
Can you represent?
Yes.
So out of the 3 scale, which is the highest order scale? Is it nominal, interval, or ordinal? Interval scale you can convert back into ordinal. Interval scale also convert back into nominal as well, right? Highest scale is interval only out of these 3.
Yes.
Okay. Now, can you convert a nominal into interval form?
No.
Okay, female into interval form, can you say?
No.
No.
No, it's not meaningful. So now, which is the lowest order scale?
It's nominal.
Nominally is lowest. Second lowest order is ordinal.
Ordinal.
Third lowest is integral. Now let's assume I ask your income. Please report your income in rupees. Right? Your income is 100. My income is 50. Can you get the ratio of these two? Does it make sense?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ratio makes sense, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So I got actually income 0. Does it mean that 0 income?
Yes.
Yeah, 0 income. 0 means 0. Absolute number.
Yeah.
I have 2,000 income. 2,000. Real number, right?
Yes.
This is not a real number, right? It's more of an interval, right?
Yes.
Right? So I have measured, instead of 1 to 100, I measured 0 to 100. 0 to 100. Somebody reported, Anisha reported 0. Does it mean that no recommendation? It means that your recommendation level is on the lower side.
Okay. Yeah.
That's what the meaning now. For example, satisfaction. You measured on a 0 to 100 scale. Satisfaction 0 means you are not satisfied. Means your satisfaction is on the lower side.
Right.
That's what the meaning now.
Mm.
But income, in case of ratio, income is a ratio scale. There is 0 means 0. Absolute 0 is there, right?
Yeah.
Right? There is an absolute 0. Now you tell me, can I treat income? Can I convert it to return form?
No.
Yes.
I can convert.
Yes.
Can I convert it to ordinal form?
Yes.
Yeah.
Can I convert it to nominal form?
Yes.
Yes. That's what she asked the question. If you look at salary, can I say it's a representation?
Yes.
You can easily treat actually salary also represent. Does it mean that's only a representation? No. These two scale, you usually call it as what in Tableau, what call it as,
Measure.
right now? Used to call it as what?
Measure.
It's a measure, right now? It's a measure.
Yeah.
Because it got numeric property. What is the numeric property here? In this case, what's the numeric property you can have? Maximum numeric property is frequency, right now?
Right.
Here, you can have mean and you have standard deviation, something like that.
Yes.
Is it possible? Mean and standard deviation? Can you calculate mean of male and female?
No.
Mean of ranks received?
No.
No, it's meaningless.
Yes.
You can calculate, but it's meaningless, right?
Yeah.
It's meaning. But here, if I calculate average satisfaction, average recommendation ratio, it makes sense. Average income, it makes sense. Right now, if you see the data, look at here.